What's going on, crypto family? Today I haven't got my usual intro because the market is way too exciting to talk about, to introduce the video like I normally do. But listen guys, I wanted to bring you a quick video regarding just the state of the market, where we are, and just what I think of what's going on as we continue into this amazing crypto. And I call it amazing because it is the opportunity that most of us have been looking for, going into the next bull run. But guys, listen, unlike back in 2017, when I started looking into crypto first, everybody is aware of crypto now. And when the market is this bashed, and when the market is this down, there is a reason why. It's because every time big players enter the market, and trust me on this, when I say big players are in the market, we talked about, people are talking about BlackRock and Bitcoin. I couldn't care less. The redder the market, the more opportunities we have as what I call micro investors and retail investors to change our life. But recently, I've been going through some of the key projects that I'm looking to invest in, and some of these positions that I hold, not financial advice. And the one I'd like to talk about today is none other than Quant. And I think the reason I want to talk about Quant is because there was massive news about Quant this week, stuff that I already brought you in my last video. But the story just keeps getting better, and better and better and better. And you best believe, guys, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Look, not financial advice. I'm not going to say it's going to make you rich overnight. I think there's going to be a lot of patience involved. I think you have to be a long-term investor to beat the market in general anyways. But what I wanted to talk about today was what is called the tokenization of assets, which is basically the capability that leverages blockchain technology and to securitize assets, both traded and non-traded. And this is done through the blockchain. Okay, this is happening right under our noses. And a lot of the problem with crypto YouTube is because a lot of the influencers have a particular angle on a certain token or a certain assets that they are given, they would more or less try and promote that, get as much of the profits in, and continue to then move on to the next project and then continue to shill these projects. And I don't really like that. And I've been stung in the past following the similar trends. But while the entire crypto space is talking about leverage trading, Bitcoin going up and, shorts being liquidated, I couldn't care less for that. The crypto space here for me is an investment or a long-term strategy. And when I say long-term, it's the only asset class that can return life-changing wealth within relatively short space of time. But don't think about the dollars as such. You should have an exit strategy, of course. But how do you get in? So some of the projects which I will talk about are mostly tokens that I'm holding or either looking to buy. And I'm going against the grain in the sense that I'm not really listening to a lot of the mega YouTube channels, because I think they've already made their money in crypto, one or two cycles in. But what I'm looking to do is look at projects like this. So tokenization of assets, guys, is going to happen whether we like it or not. And to a certain degree, we're already doing that. I mean, think about the last time you physically dealt with cash. Think about the last time you used a blockchain to transfer assets from an exchange to your own wallet. And just think about how easy it is to move large sums of money. And when we talk about large sums of money, this is exactly the space Quant is in. Okay, so a couple of things. I mean, I was looking through QNT news in general. So here, this is an interesting one. QNT trader grabs attention after huge investment. Token trades at $100. Now this token has been trading between 70, the lowest I can remember, just pre-FTX, or sorry, during FTX, to about 120, 130, probably 150 was the highest it's got into the last kind of half a year or 6 months. And news like this is quite important because you've got, you've got the, you've got certain people now throwing Quant into the hat at a political level. I think that's also quite, that's always quite bullish. Yeah, this is, this is fairly recent. It's happened in the last kind of week to 2 weeks, and Quant is becoming much more influential than we'd think. What is the whole entire industry now kind of talking about? Well, they're talking about, they're talking about big players, SEC and crypto laws. The SEC is there to slow down the pace of crypto in the US so that massive US entities can come into the space and acquire these tokens at a very much discounted price. But yeah, guys, I bought some more Quant. I'll be bringing you an update onto my portfolio, some of the stuff that I've been buying, such as Quant, Algorand, HBAR, the obvious ones. And then in addition to that, I've got some metaverse plays. If I just show you quickly my my kind of my thinking at the moment. So if you look at, for example, Jasmy, Magic, I've been acquiring quite a bit of Jasmy and Magic. And what I've done here, guys, is I've got different coins. So metaverse. So this is what I'm actually kind of holding in the gaming / metaverse space for now. And then if you look at the way I've kind of broken this down, I've got specific gaming as well. Things like Gala, I'm up to about, I think, just under 250k Galas at the moment. UFO gaming, I've started buying, I've got about 500,000 of those. Illuvium, I've only got 10 coins, but Illuvium is quite expensive, and in the last bull run it's gone up to about, I think it did about almost $2,000 if I remember correctly. Fantastic buying opportunity. I mean, Illuvium right now is, what is it, $43. Majority of my dollar cost averaging has been at kind of 50, between the $45 mark to about $50. But I'm going to keep DCAing into this. So guys, look, going back to the kind of main subject of the video, please don't be distracted by all the talk out there. Keep focused, and I'll catch you on the next one. By the way, 90%, I think it's 97% of all the people that watch my channel never hit the subscribe button. Please do so. We don't really push any narratives except what I personally believe to be in my own portfolio. So I think we should take that journey together. Like the video, subscribe it, share it. But guys, look, financial institutions, enterprises, and big players are involved in this space. And all the meanwhile, we're consuming crypto YouTube and other platforms where, not shit tokens as such, but the narrative is always to go a certain way. I think buying, let's see, QNT. Let's just quickly have a look at this. $99. I mean, yeah, this is again, all the money, all my kind of funds have now switched over to crypto. So I've cut down a lot on going out. I live in Dubai, it's an expensive city. QNT, I mean, that's, $100. 14 million. There will ever be only 14 million in circulation. And I know the team hold a small amount of Quant, but, if you DCA into Quant, like I said, at the moment I'm holding a small bag, but my next buy will be around probably another 10 quant. Probably say, yeah, about $1,000. So this is what I do monthly, okay? So the aim is to get between 50 and 100 quants and then just sit on it, because if you look at the price action, if we have a look at this, guys, look, the highest quant has ever gone up to was around, I believe, all-time high was, what was it? Yeah, it was about $400 for 427. That was done 2 years ago, 76% discount. Now, the tokenomics, I haven't really gone into the tokenomics as much, but 14 million, which is less than Bitcoin, and then you project that into the, you know, this whole entire tokenization industry, you know, working with the Bank of International Settlements, working with the UK government, the Digital Pound Foundation, and many, many other such projects. Quant price prediction, not financial advice, but it's going to be minimum 6 figures, okay? You know, so not 6 figures, sorry, minimum about, I'd probably say it would probably easily be 4-figure, 5-figure token by the next bull run, if not more. So, listen, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. I'll probably bring you more content, but please, you know, help the channel out, like the thing, share the thing, you know, do what you can, because I'm going to bring you some more. Take care.